paid survey has been one of the best remote job for me and a lot of people in my community. It is the best in the sense that it is very easy to learn. You know, if you put your mind to learn paid survey, you can learn paid survey in 1 or 2 days, and after that you can start making money online through paid survey. Paid survey is that good. It is very good in the sense that a lot of people in my community who started paid survey as 9 to 5 workers had to quit their job because they are making more money from paid survey than what their job is paying them. And some of them, they do it alongside their jobs. You understand? Some of them that still have jobs that pay them something reasonable, they do it alongside their job. But you know, the good thing about paid survey is that there's no too much complication of learning it. The learning process of paid survey is very straight. You know, that is one beautiful thing about paid survey. And if you learn it very well, if you learn this skill, yes, because paid survey is a skill. If you learn it very well, you'll be able to, you know, offset some bills comfortably. You understand? But recently there has been a challenge with paid survey, a very big challenge. Like, I think since from I think this started in November to I think presently now, it's been very difficult to make money through paid survey. And this has been a big challenge because a lot of people in my community left their job to do this particular skill, to make money online through paid survey, and it was paying them. People were making up to 400k. People were making up to $300 in a month with paid survey. But recently, survey sites have become strict, and every day they become more strict. You understand? So people are asking, what survey are we going to do now that is going to favor us, especially people that are starting, beginners? So in this video, I want to tell you, or I want to show you a particular survey that I discovered. This survey, you don't need anything. You don't need VPN to do this particular survey. You just need your phone and internet to do it, and you can do it from anywhere, almost everywhere in the world. Like anywhere in Africa, you can do it. And you know, any survey that you can do in Africa, you can do it almost anywhere in the world. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugos Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth, monetization, and growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through paid survey. So if this is something you're interested in learning, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Drop me your beautiful comments, like this video, and share it so that your friends and family can also learn from this. And lastly, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my content each time I upload them. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into this video so that you can get the value I have for you in this video. Now, in this video, I want to show you 2 survey sites that is working and you can make something off of it. Now, the first one on my list is Viewpoint. Now, you remember that my student I told you about that made £22 from Survey Lama. So in her first 2 weeks of doing this particular Survey Lama, she was also working on other sites. Like she worked on Eureka, she worked on Viewpoint. You know, when I was asking, okay, please, because she posted these things I'm showing on the screen now, one of them had a screenshot of I think $6, and another one had a screenshot of $9, $3, and all of that. And I was like, you know the rules in this group, this and this and this. And she was like, no ma, I didn't do this Viewpoint with VPN or proxy. This one does not require VPN or proxy. This survey, you just need to do it just with your phone and your data, guys. Even me that was coaching her, I haven't done Viewpoint, though I'm in their group on Facebook and I see all the things. I haven't had the time to say, okay, let me just go and check out this Viewpoint, you understand? But my student showed me the screenshot. She has been able to make close to £15 in 2 weeks with Viewpoint. Guys, if you are like, you know, you want to start paid survey, you don't have any equipment, you don't have money to invest in anything, you just go and start Viewpoint. With Viewpoint, you can make it. You know, the reason why most of us are crying, like we'll be crying that, oh, we do not make enough money this month, survey is frustrating us, is because of what we invested, our equipment, the equipment we acquired for the paid survey. That is why we want to recover our capital and also make profit for ourselves. You understand? But with Viewpoint, you don't need anything. You don't need anything, and you'll be making money in pounds, guys. So please, if you are just starting and you don't know which site to focus on, please go and start Viewpoint. The second site that I want to tell you about in this video is Survey Lama. Don't joke with this particular survey site though. You see Survey Lama, you see QMe. Don't joke with it. But in this video, I'm focusing on Survey Lama because QMe is very strict recently. But Survey Lama, don't joke with it. Do you know why? With Survey Lama, you'll be able to accumulate, even if their points is not that much. They will be giving you like 20 points, 50 LP, 30 LP, 50 LP. Be accumulating it. Do you know why? When you get to their withdrawal threshold, you don't need any form of verification. Yeah, Survey Lama does not require any form of verification, and they are not strict in any way. Anybody can do Survey Lama. Even if you don't want to do Survey Lama with VPN or proxy, you can also do Survey Lama, okay? But we do it with those equipment because we want to make money fast and want to make more money. So you understand, Survey Lama does not require any form of verification. You know that most surveys, verification is always their limitation. It is when you want to withdraw and the request for that their verification, that is where you lose your money. You lose all your hard-earned sweat, all your sweat and all your effort on the side. But with Survey Lama, you don't need any verification, no number verification, no facial verification, nothing. All you just need to do, just confirm your email address, the email address you use in registering the site, and you are good to go. So guys, these two survey sites, don't joke with them. Viewpoint especially. If you are starting survey newly and you don't have money, I discovered that finance is one of the major challenge of a lot of people in my community. Like, they really want to do it, but they don't have money. Guys, go and start doing survey. Go and start doing Viewpoint. Okay, start doing Viewpoint. Gather fund, okay, so that you can upgrade. You understand? And also, just in case you try this Viewpoint, you try Survey Lama, and you're having challenge with them, do not give up. See, don't give up on surveys. Surveys has a lot of opportunities. If you try Viewpoint, if you try Viewpoint and you try Survey Lama and you're having challenges with them, don't give up. I have some other videos on my channel of surveys that you can try. Whether you're using VPN, whether you're using proxy, whether you are not using any equipment, whether you are a beginner or you are a pro in survey, I have videos on my channel of several surveys for you to try out, okay? Now, for those that are using that want to try Viewpoint, you know, those of you that are just starting, that don't have anything to invest, just want to start and accumulate before you invest. If you try Viewpoint and it didn't work for you, I still have some video, 3 surveys that you can do without VPN or proxy, and I still have 2 other surveys that you can do without VPN or proxy. You can try them out, okay? So I'd like to mention, as you're starting your journey on any of these survey sites, always take your time to read their rules and regulations. Like, when you get a survey site you want to start working on, the first thing for you to do is not just for you to just go and click on register and register. Take your time to research about the surveys. Take your time to read about their rules. Every survey has their rules and regulations. You understand me? It is very frustrating to finish working on survey sites and lose your money or even lose your account. Read their rules, read their regulations, abide by it. One of the golden rules of survey platforms, almost all the survey platforms, is for you to answer their surveys truthfully, and also for you to be consistent with the answers you give them. Know that any answer you're giving any survey platform, be it any platform, they are always tracking your answer to see that that answer is consistent with the previous answer you're giving to them. So you want to be very careful with the answers you're answering. Like, whether you do this survey, and this particular survey you do is about Samsung phone, and the next one you do is about Tesco supermarket, the next one you do is about Toyota cars or Toyota products. Make sure that your answers are consistent, okay? If they notice any inconsistency in your answers, they will keep accumulating it for you until one day you just see that your account is gone, or you'll not be qualifying for surveys on the platform anymore. So you just have to be very careful, okay? Lastly, I want to tell you that if you don't give up on survey will favor you. There are a lot of survey sites, so many, like over 50 survey sites, more than over 50 survey sites that I have discovered, and there are more than 100 survey platforms that are out there that are yet to be discovered. You understand? So don't give up, okay? If this particular one does not favor you, all you just need to do is keep trying. You will definitely see a site that will favor you, okay? And if you have like 2 or 3 sites that are working for you, stick to them until you are able to discover more. You understand? So that is just the secret about survey, and this is all I have for you in this video. I hope you got value from it. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video.